Hello guys, in this video here I'm gonna give you my free favorite websites for my forex trading and how you can actually press that button with a lot of confidence. So stick around until the video ends and then you will see all my favorite websites. So I've already bookmarked them, so I just go there and then I start here at market pools. How I use market pools, I use it for the seasonals. For the seasonal tendency, what has it been doing for the past few years, and that sort of a thing. So we go here to seasonals, and by the way, this is gonna be done on the trade idea that we have on this very same video for the Canadian dollar for this week. So as you can see, I just minus the 2 years and the 5 years, but I'm left with the 10, 15 and 20 years. Now as you can see, for the first 10, 15, 20 years, it has been doing the same thing in this past week, and then it rallies up until August. Then in the middle of July it rallies again, and then it does most of the things like that. So the 10, the 15 and the 20, they are all agreeing up after this, up. Now let me show you another tool here which we use after checking the seasonals. After that we use the commodity, it's called CFTC. It's also for free. So what you do with it, you just use it for this. You come here to market data, economic analysis, and you go here to the commitment of traders. What you do on the commitment of traders, you just look at the short format, no long format, short format. You do it under here, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and then you go to short format, and then you check the positions, the COT for the big companies. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go. Yeah, this is our guy here, Canadian dollar. So what you do, you don't go for the non-commercials, you don't go for the total, you just go here to the commercial. So as you can see, there's more longs than shorts on the Canadian dollar. So what does that tell you? The seasonal is telling you that from here we're going high, and also the commercial, the big hedges are also on the long side of the trends. So what we do with these websites, then with this knowledge, we go to here. I wanna add a new window. What is it doing now? I wanna add a new window here, but let's go to here, and then we go back to here, and then after the cftc.gov website, and after market bulls, you go to barchart.com. It's also free. All these websites are free, so you can use it for free to improve your trading. What we do here, we check the hedging program for the big companies. That's what we do. You see that 200 and what number that you saw? Then now it's gonna be demystified here in how they handle actually their hedging programs. What you come here and do on bar chart, you select a commodity. Come here, select a commodity, and then you select Canadian dollar, and then it will pull up the September contract. That's what you want for this Canadian dollar. And then you go here to interactive charts. After interactive charts, remember guys, this is free resources. So these are free resources. It's not premium stuff, but you can actually use it, and it will improve your trading very, very significantly. S. Okay. Okay. So what you wanna do is actually look at the 6 months to end the 1 year. But we're gonna start with the 6 months and then end it off with the 1 year. So you come here to study. To study, then you go down. You can even type it up, and then you come here to the commitment of traders chart. Let's say commitment of traders chart. Remember, you cut the large commercials. You, sorry man, you just cut the large specs, and then the small specs, and then you just add it. You just add it, and then you cut off this open interest, and then you're just left with this. Now this by itself will tell you a goal mine on what you should be doing in your trading for the USD CAD this week. Remember, the seasonals are telling us up. The CFTC.gov positions are telling us that they are more longing than shorting. Now this is actually going to show you they are hedging. Let me just stretch it out for you, and then let me do this. What you come here and do, you just press this and add a drawing tool here, and then you place a horizontal line here. And then you do it like this to make it brighter. Let's make it like this. And then apply. So what you do here, you place it to the highest point to the lowest point for the past 6 months, which is something here, which is something that I'm doing here. And remember guys, my videos are not gonna be edited or done anything. So what you get here is what I actually do every time. So there's no editing, no nothing. It's just me and the charts and you guys. And I'm gonna show you how exactly to go to it step by step. And then after doing this, you come back again, and then you do the fib retracement. Use the fib retracement over here, and then you place it to 50%. This is how they hedge, guys. This is how these big institutional commercial businesses is. This is how they do it. So you take this, and then you place another drawing tool, and then, which is only horizontal lines, nothing else, only horizontal lines. And then you just place it here. Let's use a brighter color. Let's not highlight it there. So look at it. The seasonals are telling us we're going high, and the commercials are telling us that they are longing, and their hedging is agreeing on the 6 months. I will let you do your own for the same 1 year. Here you come back here and do the same thing on the 1 year. You do the same thing that I just showed you here, and then you will see whether they are longing or they are shorting. If you don't believe me, look at this. Look at this place from here to here. They were longing here. Isn't this a long move for you swing traders, scalpers, position traders, all you that you like? This is how they do it. So again, we can go here. After doing this, mind you, we haven't used the chart. We haven't used any form of technical analysis. Now another one which I like on this free website is this one. I like this one. I like Forex Factory. Forex Factory is it's an economic calendar. You see, it's an economic calendar. Everybody can use Forex Factory. And for the trade that we have on the trade idea is on the USD CAD. So what are we looking at on the USD CAD? It's CPI. What are we looking at? Most people will say don't trade CPI, but we are going to trade CPI tomorrow on the Canadian dollar. And what have we learned on the past three websites? That we should long. So that's the trade idea, that on the USD CAD tomorrow we long. Don't worry about the video tomorrow. I will post another one. I will post it for you to get more insight on the charts. This was just to show you my that's just my top websites, and then how I actually navigate through these markets and come to the conclusion which I come to when I take those trades before I even look at a chart. And then let's move here. So we go here. This one I actually used AI before this. uh, it's central banks. You can find it on it's investing.com. You see, and then you go to this, the USD in its current rate, it's 5.50, but on the CAD I've already done it. I think it's 4.59 or something. So what the markets do with this, what you do with this information, it's that it actually does, the markets actually chase yield. So whatever that you do, the markets chase yield. So whatever that you do, the market chase yield. The markets actually chase yield. So if this one is higher than the CAD, it means the CAD will actually go higher, because this one is higher than the CAD's interest on interest rates. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and tomorrow be ready for knowing the new week opening gap. I have a ton of stuff of this, the standard deviations, how we actually trade, and everything. And it hopefully it will be a much shorter video than this one. This one was just to show you how I work at using these free websites that anyone else can use in this one. So I hope you like and subscribe, and you actually use it for your own trading. Thank you.